Take the piece with a metal pin on it and stick it in any one of these holes on the puzzle, and then you just have to fill these pieces in around that. There are 13 holes on this puzzle with only 13 possible solutions, as each of these spots only has one way to fit these pieces into the tray, and you can't leave any open spaces like this on the tray. To get the honeycomb puzzle for yourself, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca. Now to start off with, I'm going to solve it for this corner here. So if we start off with this piece up top, we could use this piece next to that, but there also are a lot of other pieces that will probably fit in beside that. I'm actually going to take this piece and place it in over here. Next to that, I can use this piece here, and then we would have to use this longer piece on the bottom. Next to that, I'm going to place this piece in over here. Then I can use this piece above there. Next, if I place this piece in over here, there's unfortunately no way to get this piece into the tray. So we actually have to take this piece and flip it in like this. Finally, this piece can go over here. And lastly, this piece can fit in the top. Click here to see other cool puzzle solves like this.